Hello, this is Jeffrey Cantwell with my friends in Devo. Here we have the original image of the band's Freedom of Choice record album, which was released in 1980 on the Warner Brothers label. We can see the band is poised in a fairly rigid, almost tense posture. Their backs are turned on two American flags in the background, and I would say we are meant to feel that something satirical is going on here. Each musician wears a geometric helmet that the band apparently referred to as their energy domes. And I'm sure some irony is intended by the matching attire, contrasted with an album title like Freedom of Choice. I decided to focus on a close up of the musician in the middle, whose name is Mark Mothersbaugh. He is still composing and has worked a lot with the film director Wes Anderson. But essentially, I selected this detail because I find these hats amusing. They have a great design. They kind of resemble a giant Lego piece or a pyramid. Uh, Primarily, they have the feeling of an iconic image, and at the same time, one that's been mass produced and is probably made of cheap plastic.